Hi there guys,
Welcome back to our channel,
Silver Fanatic.
Okay guys, today's video is about the update on Brics, guys.
The final one.
The finale.
Yes.
Yeah, so as maybe you've heard,
already.
maybe already it's all over the news. Once it's in the news, it's too late. Yeah guys, so I'm sure you heard that Brics have extended their membership, the number.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, they've extended the number. They've added about
6 more
members to Brics.
Total of 11 now.
Yeah, I think there is a total of 11.
Yeah.
So I think those countries are Argentina, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Ethiopia, UAE,
Argentina,
and Egypt
and Argentina. Yes.
Yeah, so those are the countries, guys, that have added to the number of Brics, but they're not fully members as yet. They will be next year, January.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think the strength has grown on Brics, as the GDP now stands at 36%. Yeah, the GDP growth now stands at 36%. From 23. Yeah, and
the world population.
The world population stands at what?
At 46 now, from 42. So it really grown
tremendously, guys. A lot.
Yeah.
So it looks like Brics is really gaining strength with the new members that they've just added. To the group.
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially the famous one, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, guys. As we all know, Saudi Arabia has been working hand in hand with the US in terms of oil. As we all know, that Saudi Arabia is extremely rich in oil. Yeah. So I think that's I don't know, maybe a strategic move from Brics to involve Saudi Arabia to their team.
It really is.
It is. Yeah, guys, I think here we're just playing a chess. That's what I'm seeing with Brics. Brics is playing a chess. So they're strengthening
their countries,
their members, and whatever that.
But I think the countries that they are strengthening, they are rich of something.
They are rich in minerals, guys.
And rich of something somehow.
Yeah. So that's what happened, guys. That's the latest. And the next Brics Summit will be held in Russia. Next year. Yeah, so they don't want this thing of Vladimir Putin to join the meeting via digital. So they don't want that, so they just decided just to take it to Russia next year. So all members will be present at the time, and the one that have just joined, they will be fully members by then. But I suspect that India wanted some criterias to include members, to have some sort of criterias that needs to be followed for members to be included. So I suspect India wanted that, not that they were against adding more members.
They wanted this sort of a plan.
Criterias that they need to follow in expansion of Brics. So I suspect that's what they wanted to happen.
And it happened. They chose.
But it did. I don't think it happened according to they will or their preference. it just happened politically, if I may say, but I stand to be corrected. That is how I'm seeing it. I'm not concluding on that one. That it happened politically. That's what I just suspect.
Yeah, but I suspect there's a hidden agenda in this meeting. There is something that it's hidden somewhere. I can't just keep on finding out what it is, but I feel like there is a hidden agenda in these meetings. It was not about the expansion. I doubt it was about it.
Because I think they were supposed to discuss the currency.
Oh, well, yes.
The currency, but they mentioned that they will trade.
According to their currencies,
nation currency. So they said that they don't want that falling away, the nation currency. So yeah, they mentioned that. So I think there will be more in discussion about the currency.
Next year
in Russia, because that's where the next Brics will be had. So yeah, guys, I think that's the latest on Brics as we stand. So yeah, if anything else arise, we will let you know. But at the moment, that I think the latest juicy news that Brics is 11 members now. So the new members just have to pay some sort of fee or something, because I think there is a fee that you pay when you're joining Brics.
Sure, definitely.
Yeah, there is. So the members now need to pay that fee.
They got now up until January.
Yeah, I think they have until then. So because by then they'll be fully members of Brics. Okay. All right, guys.
Let's find out what is this all about. Let's see what the new members are bringing to the table. What they're bringing to the table. I hope they don't have conflicts. Start disagreeing with one another, because looks of things they were a conflicts already.
Others wanted to add, others didn't wanted to add, others wanted some sort of criteria, others wanted to use politically what so forth and so forth, guys.
And
so
there are many now.
There are many of them.
Different countries
and the countries that they've added to the Brics are the countries that are not in line with the West, with the US.
That's true.
It's countries that are not seeing eye to eye with the West. So guys, let's just see what happens. I suspect the war on this thing.
Me too. I
suspect the war, but let's just sit back and observe. But just keep preparing, guys, and don't forget to buy silver and gold, guys. And don't forget to prep as well food,
because this is the first war. The financial war first
financial war,
and then it's gone.
So guys, prep, get food, because when the war starts, those things will be very hard to get.
That's true.
All right. So I think today's video was just about that. Thank you
guys for watching our videos.
Yes, and don't forget to like
and subscribe
if you like our videos.
Yes. All right. So comment below what you think.
What you see. We'll love to hear your opinion, your views. Guys.
All
okay.
Right, thanks. Bye.